Greetings, Joseph Kursky here with you to chat about the new zip code lookup web map from Esri. Great teaching tool. Let's go ahead and type in a zip code. Let's type in 54241, which happens to be Two Rivers, Wisconsin. Now, what this does is not just map the zip code, it actually gives you the demographic and lifestyle for the people living in that zip code. In other words, this information has been assembled into what we call the tapestry data. The tapestry data it goes back to geodemographics. The first book I ever read on this topic was Michael Weiss's The Clustering of America back in 1986, I believe is the publication date on that. Fascinating book, looking at how people tend to cluster in terms of what they buy, what they eat, what they drive, where do they go for recreation, what kind of jobs do they have, what kind of income do they have. So the demographics, the population characteristics, but also the lifestyle component of these people. So it's been gathered into these what we call clusters, and the version of clustering, the model that we're using is the tapestry clustering model. And in this zip code lookup tool, you can find out, for example, this area in Two Rivers, Wisconsin, you've got 38% are in Heartland communities, 22% are in salt of the earth, 20% in traditional living. And I love the rich descriptive titles that these things have. So more about tapestry in a moment, but you can also get the income and compare this particular zip code to other places in the county, other places in the state, and then the U.S. You can also get age. So for example here, 45 is the median age, 44 is the median for the county. So you can see it's a little bit old, quite a bit older than other zip codes around the country. So then population density as well. You can see here that the number of people per square mile, this being an urban sort of a zip code, it's higher than the U.S., which makes sense. So we go back to the tapestry. Let's take a look at what's Heartland communities. We can scroll down there. Grown-up kids, semi-retired, mortgages paid off, semi-rural, we like to go out on weekends, we like to go camping, etc. So, and then what about salt of the earth? These folks. So you can get a really rich, wonderful set of data. So let's contrast it with another zip code. This one's going to be Boulder, Colorado. So let's take a look at Boulder, Colorado, 80302. Now here's Boulder and a section of Boulder. So we've got in here, instead of Heartland communities, understandably, college town. So 33% are dorms to diplomas. And as you can see here, young and on our own for the first time, studying, working part-time, having fun with friends, etc. Urban chic, Boulder, Colorado. Okay, this may or may not coincide with your image of Boulder. And that's one of the things I love about teaching with this tool is that what kind of stereotypes is it affirming or blasting or deconfirming, okay? College towns is the other ones. And then you can actually, you don't have to type in a zip code. Let's say you go to a community and then you just click around in that community to find different zip codes in that community, as I'm doing right here. You can select different zips as well. So you can kind of scroll around there and see, okay, professional pride is this one out here. Fascinating to be able to do this quickly and easily inside ArcGIS Online, which is the basis for this web application called the Zip Code Lookup. It's the Zip Code Tapestry that you can teach with, learn from, and use in a variety of different ways for teaching and learning. Thanks.